Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change email here in Asana. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Asana, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing email here in Asana is a straightforward process that when you switch email providers, it would give you a lot of benefits such as consolidating multiple email addresses into one primary address to streamline communication and of course reduce the hassle of managing multiple inboxes. Now, in my case in the past, for example, if you're working with multiple freelancers or clients, or maybe you're part of an organization, now, if one of the team member has moved to a different company or takes a new role within that same organization, I believe it might need to update their Asana email to reflect their new job or responsibilities. Obviously, now for us to be able to change the email, it's a very straightforward process because all you're gonna do is hover to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon and click the profile option. Once you are here, you would be able to see. Now, in the profile section, you can click on the edit profile because you would be forwarded here in this email address. All right. The email address is grayed out. You see, I can't do nothing about it. Even if I type in something, you can only highlight that, but it's grayed out, meaning it can't be edited. All right. So, even if you go to notifications, email forwarding account, display apps, hacks, there's nothing here that can edit the email address. Instead, I want you to hover to the email forwarding tab, wherein you see now here you can create tasks and messages from email address associated with Asana. For example, this one. Now, there's an option here at the bottom where it says add or remove emails from the account tab. So you might want to click on that. It's a blue button. See that one? You can base it, as you see, if you hover your mouse, it says you cannot remove the only email associated with your account. So you can basically email this one because that's why it's grayed out. All right. Instead, we can add a new email. All right. But in order for you to add a new email, you need to re-authenticate. For example, I wanted to use my andyguide@outlook.com email. All right, instead of the andyguide@gmail, I need to use this email instead, and then switch over to the Asana. All right. But the problem is if I do that right now, I'm gonna re-authenticate. So if I click on the button, which is gonna be a hassle because I have to, go back again to the same process. All right. Okay, so let me re-authenticate that. Now here, all I'm gonna do is put in the new email, and that's gonna be andyguide@outlook.com. If I add this button, if I click this one, a verification link was sent to andyguide.com. Outlook.com. Let's check that. Okay, so the message has now been here on the inbox. Let's open that. And as you can see, it came from Asana. Do you want to merge Asana accounts? I recently started the process to add andyguide@outlook.com to the account associated with the other Gmail account. An Asana account already exists from Managa, so you now have the option to merge this account. All right. If I do that, what will happen is it'll become one unified account for both here in Asana. I'm not gonna do it because I'm using both emails for different purposes. So, but the idea is all I'm gonna do is add another email here, remove the other email for this one, all right, and then just save it. It's a very straightforward process, really, right? It'll give you a preferences for different email or work related tasks. Now I'm gonna remove this one, but it's the same process. All right. For example, this is the email that you wanted to remove You simply have to click on remove, all right? And that's that. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.